today we are checking out the front door seals for the driver and passenger side, fitting all 2007 through 2018 JK Wranglers. Now, if closing your door has started to sound less cushioned and pretty harsh, or you've noticed wind or water getting into the cab, your door seals may be worn down. This set is an affordable OEM style replacement to soften the blow when closing the door and provide a refresh to keep the elements out and ultimately keep you more comfortable inside of your Jeep. Now, seals wear down over time. That's just something that happens to them, especially ones that are constantly used. The door seal definitely being one of them. They can thin out from the door compression itself, getting brittle and even come undone over time. However, this replacement refreshes that seal with the proper thickness. Now, that will fill the gap, sealing the elements out, and actually cushions the blow when closing the front door, so you're not cringing every single time you do it. These are made of a durable rubber construction, just like the OEM one, being a factory style replacement. Now, these do also have clips and plastic pins, as you can see on this one here. That's going to align them and make sure that these are sealing correctly and installed correctly on the door, and it's gonna make it much easier for you when it comes time to install them. Now, again, as it says in the title, this also does come with both front driver and passenger doors, so you do get a refresh to both sides. This set is about $100, making it pretty affordable in the world of mods. Now, others in the category usually have a similar style, being that they're very simple OE style replacement parts, but may offer a slight difference in the material, the hardware, or what's included in the kit. Now, this one consists of both, as I stated, so it's pricier than singular choices, but you get a one-stop shop here rather than purchasing them separately if you know that you need to replace both. It also comes with those little pins pre-installed, and the pins in general, which is going to make it very easy when it comes to install. And the best part about it all is that it has the OE style quality without the Mopar price point. So that's something that you can definitely appreciate out of this set. Now, install is a 1 out of 3 wrenches, as you can probably imagine, and it should only take about 30 minutes to get both sides installed with some very basic hand tools, if any at all. Now, at this point, we can head over to our shop. I'm going to hand you over to one of our installers, and they're going to show you a detailed breakdown on how you can get these onto your JK at home. So that wraps it up for what I have to say. Let's go ahead and jump into the install.
For this install, you will need a clip removal tool. What's up, folks? Today we're going to be doing door seals on our Wrangler, so let's get started. All right, so we're starting off on our passenger side, and the first thing you want to do is open up the door, and you'll find your door harness plug. We're going to need to unplug that, as well as unhook our door stop strap. And for this part, we're gonna have to close the door a good bit, like so. So we'll probably have to get in the vehicle, but you basically want to close it and relieve all the tension. Then it just unhooks off of this mount. So we'll unplug this first, pop that red safety clip back, press in our tab, and then unplug that. Once we have that done, again, we're gonna close our door a good bit. We may even have to go inside and sit in our seat while we're doing this. So we went ahead and unhooked our door strap. Now, when you close your door, this part of the strap tends to flip over like that, which is actually good. Then you can get it over top of the retainer part of the hook and just pull it out, and it'll come right out like this. Now we have nothing interfering with our seal. All right, so now that we have our strap off, we're gonna start at an easy corner of our door seal. We're just gonna carefully lift this up and pop it out. Now, once you start taking this off, there should be some push clips along the way. So go slow with this. And when you run into them, like right here, you can grab a clip removal tool, gently pop these out. A lot of times they will break. Your new kit does come with new ones on it, so it's okay. We'll work our way to the bottom side. Just gonna come out of the channel, up your door. We'll work our way back up to the top. Now again, ours has been taken off a few times, so we are missing a few clips, but there should be one down there as well. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. All right, so now we've got our new seal, and we're gonna start getting that in place. Easiest place to start is right up in this top corner, into the channel. You wanna lay it across the top of the door, just to give yourself a little advantage. Sometimes it'll fall back, that's okay. Just want to get this corner started. And we're gonna work the top in. That should fall into place very nicely. Work it right back into that channel just as your factory one came out. And you get to the point with those new clips. I'm gonna line those back up, put those in place, and we'll keep working our way around. So now we've got this side mostly in. Before we go around to the bottom, we'll get our other side of our door in, door seal rather. Once again, you'll find yourself at a point where you reinstall those push clips, get those in, and just keep following that channel around. Now this part, you kind of want to tuck this backside in to the channel as well. It'll help it seat a lot better. And before we go for the bottom, we're going to get the rest of the inside of our door in. You want to remember to bring your door plug and strap over the seal. Once your seal is fully seated, we're gonna bring our door back around. So now we've got our door pulled back in close to our cab, and we're gonna need to reinstall our strap and plug our door harness back in. So we'll get this hook back in like so. And we can plug our connector back in the door harness. Once that clicks, you want to lock that tab back into place. And you're good to go. Now, once you've got this side installed, you can repeat the same process for the other side. Alrighty guys, that about wraps up our review and install of our front door seals for the driver and passenger side of your 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.